Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I hope that you all have enjoyed your holidays, isn't it children? Yes, okay. Again we are going to start the online class, isn't it children? Okay. Today we are going to see mathematics only. Today we are going to see mathematics. Today we are going to see subject mathematics, topic chapter 9 only, isn't it children? The same chapter only we are going to see, but today we are going to see in chapter 9 exercise 9.6 and it's session 30. It's session 30 and date for tomorrow's date 4/1 and 21. Okay children, we all are in the new year, isn't it children? So don't put 20, you have to put 21. Okay children? Okay, we'll go into the exercise 9.6. Okay children, exercise 9.6, it's in page number 156. It's in 156. First we are going to see what we are going to see, change to grams. Change to grams. Change to grams. So when you change to grams, what will come children? First sum we will write, then I will explain. First sum 3 kg. So 3 kg is given. So when 3 kg is there, you have to convert this kg to grams. You have to convert this kg to gram. So what you have to do children? So what you have to do? 1 kg is equal to what children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So when 3 kg means what will come children? 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 gram. So what's the answer children? 3000 gram. Easy or easy? The same procedure only for that we learned in liters and all we learned, isn't it children? So we have to change this gram. For that one we wrote kiloliter, liter, like that we wrote, isn't it children? So gram. So what's the answer? 3000 gram. And one more sum I will teach you in this method. 17 kg. 17 kg. Here one digit is have come. Here 2 digit, isn't it children? 17 kg. The same procedure. 1 kg is equal to what children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So here what kg they have given? 17 kg. So 17 kg is equal to 17 into 1000 gram. So what's the answer will come children? You have to write this 17 as it is, and how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to add 3 zeros. So and you have to write gram. Understood children? Easy, the same here also. 3 you have to write, and this how many zero you have to write? 3000. Okay, we'll see the third sum. Okay, third sum is 9 kg 279 gram. What children? 9 kg 279 gram. So here what you have to do children? 1 kg is equal to what children? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So what you have to do? So you have to find out now. You have to change this kg to gram. So 9 kg is equal to what will come children? If you are very well versed in this sums, means you can write directly what you can write, 9000 kg you can write. So those who didn't understand, for them only I am writing like this. So 9 into 1000 gram is equal to 9000 gram. So we have converted this 9 kg into gram. You have converted into gram. So now what you have to do children? You have to add this 9000 gram plus what you have to add? This 279 gram you have to add. So what's the answer will come children? 9279 gram. Understood children? See, if you want, you can write like this: 9000 plus 279. So what will come? 9279. Understood children? 9279 gram. Okay, we'll see the fourth sum. Fourth sum, 5.5 kg. 5.5 kg. So you have to listen carefully, children. So here 1 kg is equal to what, children? 1 kg is equal to what? 1000 gram. So half kg, how much? Half kg. 1 kg 1000 gram means half kg what will come, children? 500 gram, isn't it? Now we have to find out the answer. So 5 kg, first we have to find for this one. 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000 gram is equal to 5000 gram, and then you have to find out for half kg. First we found out for 5 and then now we have to find out for half kg. So half kg is equal to 500 gram. So what you have to do? You have to add this both the grams. We have to add this both the grams. So what will come? 5000 gram plus 500 gram. So when you add, what will come, children? 5500 gram. Understood, children? Yes, we'll go to the next sum. Okay, children. Now we'll see the 10th sum. 10 1/4 kg. 10 1/4 kg. So first we have to find out for 10. Is it first step what children? 1 kg is equal to, if you want you can write this, otherwise you can directly write the answer. For each sum you no need to do. So first sum we saw 1/2 kg. Now we are seeing 1/4 kg. Can you remember, children? 1/4 means what, children? 250 gram. 250 gram. So first we have to find for this 10. So 10 kg is equal to 10 into 1000 gram is equal to what, children? You have to write this 10 as it is, and then you have to add 1, 2, 3. So what's the answer? 10,000 gram. 10,000 gram. And then half kg. 1/4 kg. So 1/4 kg means what, children? 250 gram. So now what you have to do? You have to add this both the grams. So what will come? 10,000 gram plus 250 gram is equal to, you have to write this 10 as it is, and then you have to put this 250 here. Understood, children? Otherwise what you have to do? You have to write 10,000 plus 250. 10,250. Okay, children? So this is the answer, and now I am going to give homework only. Okay, children? 5 sums I have taught in the A1. Change to grams, and now I am going to give you 2 sums for as a homework. Again and again I am repeating. Don't think why Miss is always repeating it, because many of them are not doing the homework. So I am reminding always. So 2 sums for homework. So what you have to do, children? After 5th sum you have to write 6 and write the homework. 4 kg 15 gram. 4 kg 15 gram. And the 7th sum 6 kg 75 gram. Understood, children? These 2 sums is for homework. Now we'll see the B1. Okay, children, now we'll see change to kilograms. First we saw change to grams, and now we are going to see change to kilograms. So the first sum 4,000 gram. See, first we saw kilogram, isn't it, children? So we have to convert this to kilogram. So what we have to do? 1000. So what's the answer will come? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Isn't it, children? So while if you see for this one, 4 kg is 4,000 gram, what will come, children? Now 1000 gram is 1 kg means 4,000 gram means what will come, children? 4 kg. What you have to do? You have to divide 4,000 divided by 1000. You have to divide. Okay children, you have to divide. If you divide means you will get, see here, 4000 divided by 1000. So what you can do, see this, you have to remove these 3 zeros. So what's the answer will come, children? 4 only will come. Okay children, that's the easy method. Okay, the second one, 19,000 gram. 19,000 gram. So again, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So here 19,000 is given. So what you have to do? 19,000 gram is equal to what children? What will come children? See, for 1000 only 3 zeros will come, isn't it? So you have to remove this 3 zero and you have to write only 19 kg. So 19,000 gram is equal to 19 kg. Understood children? You have to see, you have to remove this 0. 3 zeros, if you remove which is remaining, that's the answer. See, for here also 19,000 divided by 1000. So you have to remove this. If you remove this means what is remaining? 19. So what will come? 19. So only I am writing 19 kg. Okay children, shall we see the third sum? Okay children, third sum, 7,489 gram. 7,489 gram. So here what you have to do again? 1000 gram is equal to what children? 1 kg. So here what is given? 7,000. 7 from here when we pronounce itself we can find out 7,418. So what will come children? 7,000 gram is equal to what will come? 7 kg. So if you write like this, see now, 7,489 gram is equal to 7,000 means 7 kg. Isn't it children? 7 kg. The remaining 1, 2, 3, the remaining this 3 what will come? It will convert into gram. So understood children? 7 kg 489 grams. 7 kg 489 grams. Okay, this is the answer. And then the fourth sum, 8,008 gram. 8,008 gram. So here also 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So when you pronounce what? 8,008. 8,000 is coming. So 8,000 gram is equal to what children? Automatically it would become 8 kg. So 8,008 gram is equal to 8 kg. And what's the remaining? 008. So these 2 zeros has no value. So what you can write? 8 kg 8 gram. 8 kg 8 gram. Understood children? Okay, one more sum I will teach and then I will give you 2 homework. Okay children? Okay, the fifth sum. 77,008 gram. Okay children, here again what you have to do? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Here when you read out what is coming children? 77,000. 77,000. So what you have to write children? 77,000 gram is equal to what will come? 77 kg. Understood children? Only 3 numbers you have to leave. For 1000 we have 3 zeros. Isn't it? 3 digit only we have. So 1, 2, 3. The remaining is kg. Understood? You have to find, you can find out easily also. 1, 2, 3. You have to, if you leave this one, what's remaining? 77 is remaining. So 77 kg. Understood? So 77,008 gram is equal to 77 kg. And what's remaining, children? 0, 0, 8. Here also 0 is coming. These two doesn't have values. So you can write 77 kg 8 gram. 77 kg 8 gram. Understood, children? Okay, now I'll write two sum for homework. So totally how many sums? 4 sums. 3,500 gram. And then seventh sum is 31,000 gram. 3,500 gram and 31,000 gram. So 2 sums. Okay, children. I hope you all are thorough in these sums. Very easy. The same like centimeter, that kilometer, like that only. The kiloliter, like that only. The same sums. And now in the A division, change to grams, I have given 2 sums. And in the change to kilograms, I have given 2 sums. So totally how many sums, children? 4 sums I have given as a homework. Children, while correcting the papers itself, I have found out, because some of them are incomplete in the notes. So I can see the difference. So those who have completed, they have did the sums well. Those who have incomplete, they couldn't do the sums. So many of them got less marks compared to the other subject, because they didn't complete the maths homework and all. So children, from the third term itself, children, be thorough, because next year you're going to 5th standard. It will be very hard, because this continuation only will come. You will be learning in the 5th standard by what more digit, like that you will be learning. So children, be thorough in all the sums. Don't waste your time. Do the sums. Don't learn the sum. Not like other subject, you have to practice in the rough note. If you practice means you can do the sums nicely. Okay, children, will you do the sums, children? All I will send it in the WhatsApp also. What you have to do, children, you have to copy down neatly, and you have to copy down neatly and complete everything, because in the Zoom class also I will be teaching, so that it will be very easy to complete. Easy to continue exercise 9.6 C1. Okay, children, will you do that one? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you.